Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have another model aircraft unboxing that I just got in the mail today. In here we have a Gemini 200 Turkish Airlines 777-300ER. So I wanted to get this plane because this is the exact plane that I saw do a go-around in Chicago, and that was my first ever go-around that I captured on film. So I thought this was a pretty cool plane to have in the collection. It's the same registration, and I got it for a really good deal on eBay. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what she looks like. Alright, sorry for this camera angle here. This box is huge, so it's kind of difficult for me to film anything, but we will make do. Alright, there she is. Okay, here we go. So it says Gemini 200, of course, says Turkish Airlines. There's the plane right there. The registration on this one is Tango Charlie Juliet Juliet Tango, and like I said, this is the same exact one that I saw do a go-around in Chicago. I believe it was because the Asiana 777 that landed before it hadn't exited the runway in time, so this one had to go around. This looks like this is one of the new boxes that flips up, and it is. So on the top flap here, it gives some information about the 777. And then right there is the model. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box. Wow, this model looks so nice. Alright, so here's the stand, and these are a new kind of stand from Gemini 200. Instead of the wood base, it's now solid metal, so I actually really like that. It seems a lot more sturdy than the other stands. So let's go ahead and put this aside and let's get out the model. Wow, this looks really nice. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get the box out of the way. Right, so let's go ahead and grab out the landing gear here. And finally, the front gear. Okay, so up at the front you see we have the cockpit windows, the nose cone detail, which is really nice, and to the right of the cockpit windows is the Star Alliance logo. We also have the main door, the landing gear. The front landing gear looks kind of tall. I don't know if anybody else notices that. The plane looks a lot more lifted up in the nose than it usually does. I'm not sure if that's just me or if that's actually a fault with this model, but nonetheless it still looks really nice. I'm not complaining at all. Moving back, here we have the Wi-Fi box and then the first antenna. Of course we have the Turkish Airlines titles and some of the windows, the GE90s on the wings right there. And then we also have this little design that is on every Turkish plane. Right behind it, it says Boeing 777-300ER, and then of course the registration and the Turkish Airlines tail. So on the wings you can see some of the flaps and slats, and it says the registration right there. And then the engines also have some really nice details as well, if you guys can see inside the fan blades, and they do spin as well. And finally on the bottom it says Turkish Airlines, which is a really cool touch. And then of course it says Gemini jets and some of the other antennas and whatnot. Alright guys, well that's gonna about do it for this unboxing. This looks so nice. I'm super glad to have this model. This will look great in the collection, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Take care, and I'll see you later.